So I don't know if everyone knows this. Since R version 4.0, raw strings in R have been supported. One of the few things I actually like about Python is my ability to have raw strings. Essentially, raw strings let you type anything you want in between the raw string indicators. So in R, you might have to write something like this where you have an escape character. When you use a raw string, such as this in Python, you don't have to escape any characters that might not typically be recognized without one. So this in Python will work just fine. However, if I try to write it in R, /p is an unrecognized escape character in character string, blah, 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 blah. The way to typically get around this is to add an extra backslash, and that's called an escape character. Well, as of R 4.0, and I only discovered this at R 4.22, you can do this, where you can add curly braces to make a raw string. So you don't escape each single character that you might not want in there. Or for example, maybe you have a quote and then inside of this, they said to me, hello. Well, this doesn't work because we have double quotes inside of double quotes. But what if we made it into a raw string? And there it works. So that's one of the reasons why raw strings are so helpful. And it took us so long to get them. And I can't believe it took me 2 minor releases to figure this out. So if I didn't know about it, there's a good chance you didn't know about it. So I hope it helps you.